Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming an unboxing video for you guys from one of my new sponsors, Liquid Mayhem. If you guys don't know what this company is, it is a fish attractant scent company. And I heard and I believe that these are the best scents out there. So let's get right into it. Alright. Alright, let's see here. First thing, let's take out this. Alright, so send you your order. Oh wow, that's nice. Sent me a letter. Alright, so first two things, we got that sticker, and we got that sticker. Pretty sick if you ask me. Alright, let's see. Alright, oh wow, this really seems like a comfortable shirt. Alright, first tee, we got a gray t-shirt here. It says no fish can resist Liquid Mayhem. Very true. Alright, here's another t-shirt that I got. This one I got in army green, and this says Mayhem Bait Company. I really like the colors and the styles of these shirts. Very eye-catching. Alright, I believe these are the scents. Get this open. Alright, the first scent that we got here. So what I did is I went onto their website and I decided to get the Bass Ultimate package. And so the first scent that I got was crawfish scent. There you go, really nice packaging. One thing that I really like about this packaging is that it doesn't have staples on the side, so they're really easy to open up. Alright, let's get this out. Alright, so here's the first one. This is crawfish. Alright. Here is the second scent that I got. This one is shad scent. Get this one up so I can show you guys what it really looks like. There we go. This one is shad scented. Decent sized bottles too. I really like how they put the logo and their slogan on it. I think that's really nice. Alright. And then I believe I got one more. Sweet. Okay. This one is my garlic scented scent. Open this up for you guys. There it is. There's the packaging. I'm really excited to use these. I'm actually going out right after I film this to break these in. Alright, so one thing that I really like about this, like these attractants, is that how well it sticks to your lures. You only need to really reapply it once every 30 casts that you make. And it is incredible how well it sticks to your baits. Alright guys, that is it, and I hope you enjoyed watching. And make sure you go down, click that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys soon.